After a long wait of more than 5 years, Indian buyers can finally rejoice because there is a new Epson projector that is finally released in our country. And this is a very specific model which I am expecting to really break the DLP specific domination in this mid premium category. Now these have become more expensive, these have become more limited options, and that is where this entry of Epson's new projector really makes a big difference. Now this model is the Epson LS9000B. LS, as you rightly know, stands for laser source, and in today's video we are going to solve a question out here. The question is not about how good the projector is, but the question is that where does Epson LS9000B fit into, and who is the ideal audience for these projectors. Okay, so let us first understand that what is Epson really trying to achieve here. Now, for a very long period of time, we all know that Epson has been dominating the lamp game. Overall in the world, they have close to 50% of the market share, especially for any projector which is 500 to 600 lumens and above. And globally, in terms of 6000 lumens and above, they again have a very high domination of 50% plus. But all this while, the lamp projectors were typically what were available in the Epson's category or portfolio of products. Until unless someone really wants to go for the most premium ones in the competition of Sony and JVC, there was literally nothing available in the lower segment. So that is where the entry of the LS9000B really brings in a very special appearance, because it is fitting into the category which is not extremely premium, but at the same time it is delivering you all the special ports or all the special features that the premium segment has to offer. For instance, in this projector, we can expect a 4K technology which is 3 LCD panel driven like the traditional Epson projectors. It has got a 4K at 120Hz gaming input refresh rate. It has also got a support for laser light source, and that means that you will have a longer period of the projector's life. Also, it is more specifically driven towards a dedicated cinema room. That is why they have a 2200 ANSI lumens as the brightness of the projector. Now, apart from this, we all know how good the optics are, how good the panel alignment is for the Epson projectors. And if you do not want to enjoy those rainbow effects that you get with the DLP, the Epson really creates a nice niche in this segment. Now, what really makes the LS9000B projector a very interesting piece, and I'm not definitely going to talk about one or many features. I'm going to talk about the balance of multiple features by highlighting the three crucial points. The first one is the installation flexibility. This projector has motorized zoom, focus, and lens shift. Now that makes a huge difference in real homes. A lot of buyers underestimate this. They compare only brightness and contrast, but in the real world, the lens flexibility can decide whether your projector integrates beautifully or becomes a headache in the ceiling. And this is definitely not a regular portable projector. It is more focused towards a very pure cinema performance application. So that's why you can see the box of the projector is very big, or the cabinet size is very high, and it is supposed to be installed in your ceiling. Now the second thing that we would like to highlight of the Epson LS9000B is the image refinement, because this is where the optics and the processor come into play. Now I'm sure you would know that when you move up the projector ladder, the difference is not always about brightness. The real difference is about cleaner edge-to-edge sharpness. It is also about the better tone in skin colors, smoother gradation, more convincing HDR, and the less digital harshness or the poppiness that you typically get with the other technologies. Now that is where the mid-premium projectors begin to justify themselves. And this is where the Epson LS9000B really scores higher, because it really ranks into the closer competition of its premium models. With its ZX processor, which is very similar to the processor used in the LS12000 model, this projector has got all the possible features in terms of the same optics, same panel alignment, same brightness standards, or the same image refinement to a premium projectors like the Epson QB1000 or the LS12000B in their own family. The third is the modern usability. Now 4K 120Hz definitely tells you something. It means that Epson is not ignoring the gamers. They know that the gamers are today a larger chunk of audience, especially the ones who are also using it with the home cinema application. And the laser light source gives you the convenience people now expect at this level. So you get quicker startup time, you get stable brightness, you have low fan noise, and there is extremely less maintenance compared to the old lamp-based ownership. So if someone is stepping up from an entry-level 4K or a budget projector and they want to start seeing the real difference by climbing up the ladder, the Epson LS9000B can definitely be a good fit. I know I've got you super excited with this new projector, but please hold your grounds because I'm going to tell you the other side of the Epson LS9000B. Now, Epson LS9000B is definitely not portraying itself as a black level monster. So, if you are looking for a deep inky blacks, just the way Sony's or the JVC's or even the Epson's Q series has to offer, the Epson LS9000B is not going to be extremely close to that. Now, this is where a bit of technical understanding will help you. Now, projector's image quality is not only about its brightness, 4K resolution, laser light source, or contrast. In premium projection, the big jump usually comes from various other parameters. These parameters can be contrast performance, it can be shadow detail, it can be HDR tone mapping, it can be lens quality, and an overall image depth. From what is available so far, the LS9000B looks strong but not extreme. So this projector is likely to impress more with its balance and polish than with the absolute contrast dominance. The second thing that you have to remember is that this is a 2200 lumens projector, which means that it is not meant to fight a bright living room in the daytime. It is more meant for control lights, it is more meant for dim lights, it is meant more for a room which has a definite screen plan. Because in all of these environments, it is going to make sense and you will have a full utilization of its strengths. Now, in case you are confused as to whether your room has got the right space or the application to accommodate this projector, then feel free to reach out to our experts using the link that is shared in the description as well as in the pinned comment. So now let's talk about who should really buy this projector. Well, first of all, if you're really looking to build something premium, if you're looking to build a nice premium home cinema setup and it's a dark room or a controlled light environment, and you want a projector that can really justify a nice 160 to 185 inches screen, then the Epson LS9000B is a great pick. Also, if you're more about detailing, if you're more about the black levels, if you're more about a pure image which looks as real as a normal TV, then the Epson LS9000B is again meant for you. Now, the people who can probably skip it, well, these are people who definitely want to have a very dark pure inky blacks, and that is something which Epson LS9000B may not really offer because it does not have dynamic tone mapping. Now, the absence of dynamic tone mapping means that it is also not meant for VRR or ALLM applications. So even if it has got 4K at 120Hz with 22 milliseconds as the input lag, it is still not purely a gaming projector. So if you are into casual gaming, this can work fine. If home cinema is more as an application with pure inky blacks and you're okay to stretch that extra mile of another lakh of rupees, then please look up to the premium series of the other brands or even in the Epson's premium category. Lastly, if you are a firm believer of Epson projectors all this while and you know for their picture quality with the brightness that the 3 LCDs can deliver, then for you can still consider the Epson LS9000B. Now, this was my opinion about the LS9000B. Let me know your opinion or feedbacks on this projector. Now, since it's new, I know you would have your queries, you would want to know the price. The MRP as of now of this projector in the Indian market is 3.5 lakh rupees. But as always, if you want a sweeter deal, if you want to know the best offer price that you can buy this projector for, again, feel free to reach out to our AV experts. Thank you so much for watching. I, Tanmay Mehta, your home cinema consultant or home theatre wale bhaiya, will see you again in the next video. Bye bye.